In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to enhance your current project management skills, understanding how to structure a backlog is essential for organizing and prioritizing tasks effectively. So let's dive right in. First, let's discuss how you can decide on your backlog structure. The most common approach is to create a dedicated list named Backlog within a folder or even a whole space. Think of this list as your staging area for new tasks where you can gather and sort everything before it gets assigned or processed. It's like having an inbox specifically for incoming work. One of the great things about ClickUp is that it comes equipped with built-in templates, including several backlog options, such as the Backlog or Project Backlog template. These templates come with pre-configured statuses, custom fields, and views. This feature can save you a significant amount of time by giving you a framework to start with, rather than creating everything from scratch. So, consider utilizing these templates to streamline your setup process. Now let's move on to actually creating the backlog list. In the space or folder you've chosen to house your backlog, you'll find an option to add a new list. Simply click on the plus New List button. Once you've done that, name your new list. Something straightforward like backlog usually works best, but feel free to customize the name to suit your needs or team's preferences. With your list now created, it's time to customize it to maximize its utility for your projects. You'll want to organize your task statuses. Common examples are backlog, ready, in progress, and done. These help in easily tracking where tasks are in the workflow pipeline. In addition to statuses, you have custom fields at your disposal. Consider adding fields like priority, estimated effort, or story points. These fields allow for a more nuanced understanding of the tasks ahead, helping you and your team prioritize what needs to be tackled first. If you decided earlier to use one of ClickUp's ready-made project backlog templates, you could optionally apply it now. This can further jumpstart your customization process by providing you a preset foundation upon which to build. However, remember that personalization is key. Adjust these default settings to align with how your team works best. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively set up a backlog within ClickUp to help organize and manage your tasks and projects. Thanks for joining, and I hope this setup brings clarity and efficiency to your workflow. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe